Hi everyone, welcome back to XCA. In this short video, I'm going to show you a quick demo of a new feature in iOS 18 for live activities, which is the live activity broadcast. So, let me just show you. Here I have a live score game that it can update and it should send live activity updates to all the devices. Okay, so let me select this game, first half, and let me just update Nico Williams scores at 47 minutes 1-0. Okay, update. Can see it's updated here in the dynamic island as well in here and here in the notification lock screen. Amazing, right? And let's just say I want to set the final score to set the time to full time and provide the update text. Michael Oyarzabal scores the winning goal at 86 minutes. Update. Wow, it happens in real time using the live activity broadcast. This is amazing, right? Let me provide you a brief overview on how this works under the hood. So here in the documentation, so new in this iOS 18 is this live activity broadcast. So basically using this, we simply need to ask the APNS server to create the channel ID related to a live activity. And then we just store it in our database. For example, as you can see in here, I use Firestore to store the matches. For each of the match, I store this channel ID that I get it from the APNS server. And basically, we just use this channel ID in the mobile application to start the live activity. So if you see in here, when I request a live activity to start, I set the post type as channel using this channel ID. So this approach is very useful, especially if for broadcasting a live score game. Okay, because previously we need to store each of the live activity token for each of these instances in our database. So each of this live activity has its own separate token. But with this live activity broadcast, we just use a single channel ID and then broadcast it to all the subscribers in here. So that is making this live activity becomes easier to manage when we are publishing an update to multiple devices at the same time, broadcasting it. Okay, we don't need to store each of the live activity token in our database. We just need a single channel ID per live activity for all the subscribers. This is amazing, right? And it supports up to 10,000 channels simultaneously. So we can also delete the channel after we ended the game or we remove the game. Okay, you can check the documentation on this. I'll provide it as well in the link. And if you see in here, this is the Google Cloud Store function that I use. So whenever a document is created, it will basically ask the APNS to create the channel in here using this endpoint AP manage broadcast using this path as well. And then when I got the channel ID from the APNS, I will just store it in the Firestore database. And whenever a document is updated, for example, the score is updated from the manager app or as well the update text, it will basically get the channel ID from the match and then publish it to APNS using this endpoint AP broadcast and boxpushapple.com. Okay, there are new endpoints for this channel management and posting the payload to a channel. So yeah, this is how I achieve this live activity broadcast. And if you see in here, let me just show you an example of creating a game. So here, so I don't have the, let me just show you from here. I think in here I have the image for the team. So let's say we have a match between England and Portugal. England, Portugal, create it. Okay, so if you see in here, we can listen to the updates because it has the channel ID got created when the document is created in here. And yeah, this is as simple as that. And please provide the comment in the description if you would like me to create a tutorial video for making this application. Okay, a live score broadcast, so we can use this for any match. It's just not about football, we can use this for basketball as well. Okay, can update the time, the update stacks that will be shown as well in here. Okay, so that's it for this short video and demo. Until the next one, keep on being a lifelong learner. Goodbye.